So I ran an experiment where I dunked a couple kinds of ratcheting wrenches in different kinds of lubricant overnight, and I wanted to try them now and see if the lubricant soaks in to the sealed ratcheting mechanism and if they perform better with less backdrag than unsoaked wrenches. These wrenches are only slightly used, and I'm hoping this will become an objective test. So I picked this chain and cable lubricant because it had teflon PTFE in it, and I was curious about that because the super lube, I believe, that Snap-on includes with their ratchets is also PTFE. I also got a white lithium grease. It's an old-fashioned, more solid, sticky kind of grease. Happens to be the same brand, but doesn't really matter for the test. So these are the wrenches in the PTFE grease. Don't necessarily want to waste this. Let's go ahead and pull them out. Bag this up. But lithium is a little bit less runny. Oh, it's all over these things, man. Oof. Look at that. Let's see what we've got here. These SKs can actually be taken apart with a pin wrench. I don't know if anybody's taken apart one of these Protos yet. It might be possible. Maybe I'll take these wrenches apart later to see how much of this lithium actually got in there. Yeesh. Well, it's definitely a lot messier. No, I'm not sure that's making a difference on the Protos. I have my control wrenches here. Oh, you can hear it. You can actually hear it. It's a lot sharper, drier sounding. You can feel less back drag. Maybe the chain lube is the best. See the SK big guy first. Feels good. This one's a little noisier. Yeah, I think the lithium makes the quietest wrenches. Got the 11. Ooh, this one's really quiet with no lube. There's always going to be tolerances and variations during manufacturing, and you're going to get that's quiet too. Oh, but that sounds the quietest. Well, I'd say that the lithium grease is probably in there, but I think it did a better job on the SKs than on the Protos. And I would definitely say there's a lot less back drag on the Protos with the chain and cable lubricant. Oh yeah, look at that. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Much better. Even this is a little better than stock. A little bit. Just a little bit. Actually, the larger wrenches do even better with lithium grease, feels like. Yeah. Let's say the 9. Whoops. it's really stiff. Yeah. And comparing this stuff, yeah, I don't think I don't think it matters as much on the small ones. Oops. Don't want to get these mixed up. So yeah, SKs do better with the lithium. I think all the wrenches might do better with it in terms of back drag. Actually, I would expect the Teflon to do better. On average, I'm getting the best performance out of the white lithium. Yeah. Well, yeah, they're both much better than dry. Much better. Yeah. Wow. Both better than dry. Didn't expect to see that much of a difference between the SKs before and after. So this one doesn't really feel that wet. The 17 feels pretty smooth though. Yeah. So yeah, less back drag. Well, the more you know. I might end up soaking these in brake cleaner and redoing them with white lithium grease. We'll see how long it lasts.